Want to start building powerful automations using n8n but don't want to pay for the cloud version? In this video, I'll show you how to set it up locally and expose it securely with HTTPS using Ngrok, and the best part, it's absolutely free.
Hi, I'm Viraj.
And welcome to the AI Manager. This channel is all about simplifying automation, exploring AI tools, and sharing practical step-by-step tutorials. Everything I learn, I share with you through real-world use cases. So if you're someone who wants to learn to automate, optimize, and innovate, consider subscribing and join me on this journey. Alright, let's dive in. First, head over to the official n8n GitHub repository. I've linked it below in the description. You'll notice it already has 35k plus folks and over 118k stars, which tells you how popular and trusted this tool is. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the quick start section. You can install n8n using either node.js or Docker. For this video, we'll go with node.js. Click on Get Node.js. Download the Windows installer and begin installation. It's a simple next finish process. Once installed, open the Node.js command prompt and just type npm. If you see the command working, you're good to go. Now we'll install n8n globally. Type the install command you see on screen. Again, I've put all the commands in the description for easy copy paste. This might take a few minutes depending on your system. Once done, type n8n in the terminal. You should now see a message that says the editor is accessible via HTTP localhost on port 5678. This means it's running. Click on that URL and yes, here we are at the login screen. However, there's one problem. This setup is running over HTTP, which is not secure, and if you plan to connect n8n with third-party APIs like Gmail, Telegram, OpenAI, many of them will require HTTPS. So to fix this, we'll use a free tool called Ngrok. Just type Ngrok download on Google and click on the first result. Download the executable and launch it. You'll see a command prompt open, but before using it, we need to sign up on Ngrok. Don't worry, it's free. Once you've signed up, enable two-factor authentication. I use Google Authenticator for this, but you can use any authentication app you like. Then go to your dashboard and copy the auth token, which is required to authenticate your machine. Now paste that auth token command into the terminal to save your credentials. Once that's done, it's time to tunnel your local server using Ngrok. In the terminal, type Ngrok HTTPS and then port which n8n uses, and that is port 5678. This tells Ngrok to expose your local n8n instance. You'll now see a forwarding HTTPS link. Copy that. Before we start n8n again, we'll set a new environment variable so that it picks up the HTTPS URL. Paste the Ngrok URL as the webhook URL and now start n8n again. This time, the n8n instance will run using HTTPS. Log in again and boom, you're now running n8n locally with a secure HTTPS connection. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helped you set up your secure n8n environment. If it worked for you, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe if you found value. And hey, if you run into any issues, drop them in the comments. I'll try to help out. See you in the next one.